actually mainly live in the water. They do come out to the land. Yeah, basking or to lakes mostly. Turtles come out to the land. So this is not a turtle. So what is this? Where do tortoise live? Land, water? What do they prefer?
They prefer mostly land.
Yes, they're completely land-based. They cannot survive in the water. I'll tell you why when we meet the tortoise. But this is not a tortoise either. So what is this?
अब बता ही दे यार बोल दे
So this is called as a terrapin. It's a subspecies. They're called as red-eared sliders. They come from parts of Mexico, and they can live both in the water as well as on the land. Right?
same they also
They're subspecies of turtles itself, but slightly different. And they're omnivorous, so they eat anything from greens, worms, fish, and they don't have teeth like us. So what do you call that? So do you know any other animal that does not have teeth?
snake
Snakes have very good teeth. So any other animal that does not have teeth that you see every day,
reptiles mostly
all of them have teeth. Reptiles.
is it so
Yes. Some of them, like these guys, don't have teeth. But what do we call it?
चिंटी क्या ant
Ants
Lizard.
have very good pincers.
Lizards doesn't have.
Lizards have very good teeth.
Is it?
An animal that you see every day that does not have teeth. Rats have very good teeth. Cockroach also have teeth.
the coco animal which we see daily does not have teeth
Every day you see.
So what do birds have? Birds have a beak, right?
Okay.
These guys also have a beak very similar to birds, a very sharp beak. And do you think they can feel on their shell? What
No.
do you guys think?
No.
Like I'm touching now. You think they can feel it?
No, I don't
it's a
think so.
part of them they should be able to feel
Yes. Most people think they don't, but they can feel. It's just like your nails. Same material also, right? Just keratin. So they have a very sensitive shell, and they have nerve endings spread throughout the shell. So it's a part of their body, so they can feel each and everything. So you should never tap, scratch, or try and hit the shell. They can feel all of that. So we'll gently touch the shell like this. Avoid putting your finger near the face.
हाँ मेरा सर्च करना है नेक्स्ट जाना है इसकी फोटो नहीं मिली जाओ खुशी सर्च करो अच्छा आ जाओ